Hey there, Tony Policastro here with the Acoustic Letter brought to you by Music Villa. Today we're going to have a look at the Martin D-41. But before I get into this instrument, I want to make sure you stick around to the end of the review and sign up for the Acoustic Letter. Just for signing up today, I'm going to send you my personal gear list for free. On to the Martin D-41. This particular guitar is just as elegant in looks as it is in sound. This is kind of one of those guitars where you're out shopping for a guitar and you're looking in the showroom wall and you're like, whoa, that guitar looks incredible. It's probably a Martin D-41. It might even be a Martin D-45. But today, we're worried about the D-41. What we have on the D-41 is a solid Sitka spruce top paired with standard X bracing that is scalloped, so it's 5/16 of an inch. We have an ebony bridge with a bone saddle, abalone rosette to match the abalone purfling around the entire top next to the white binding. On the back and sides, we have East Indian rosewood. We have a mahogany neck with a low profile that's also bound in white, just like the entire body. We have an ebony fingerboard with smaller hexagon inlays done in abalone, an 1.11" bone nut, classic Martin headstock overlay, bound in white, rosewood head plate, and the C.F. Martin inlaid in abalone, gold closed-back tuners, and an all-around killer rosewood dreadnought. This guitar has punch, it's got volume, it's got the classic Martin tone, and it just looks darn nice too. So without further ado, I'm going to play the Martin D-41 so you can hear what it sounds like. Don't forget to sign up for the Acoustic Letter today. It's the quickest way to get pricing and photos on all of these instruments, and it will ensure that you never miss a review. Just for signing up today, I'm going to send you my personal gear list for free, because as a guitar reviewer, people always ask me what I play. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this guitar, head on over to acousticletter.com where you can see it along with hundreds of other guitar reviews that I've done. Thanks a lot for checking it out.